Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to set up your goods and services tax. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we just need to open up our Agrimaster file. And once we're in, we'll just have to go to the tax setup screen. So to get here, we'll just go to Setup and Tools, Cash Book Setup, and then Tax. And we just want to go into Setup GST. So to begin with, we just need to check that our business name is correct, along with our ABM. Underneath, we've got our GST start date. It should be no earlier than the 1st of July 2000, but it should default to the date you started your file. So my cash book opened on the 1st of July 2022, and that's why it's got this date. So underneath, we've got our GST return basis. We just need to select whether we report our GST on a cash basis or on an accrual basis. Then we've got our GST return period. So it's the number of months between your tax returns. If you report it quarterly, you'll go 3 months, monthly 1 month, and so on. Next, we just need to activate the GST in the budgets if we use budgets, and also in the cash book. Once we're done on this screen, we can click Next at the top. And you just need to make sure the rate is correct. So it should just be 10%. Once you've checked this, click Next. And just ensure you've got the correct codes for GST collected, refunded, paid, and remitted. If these are incorrect, you can change them through the code setup screen. So we'll click Next. And here we can see the different GST category assigned to different codes. So all of our codes with standard GST are here, capital here, capital free here, and capital input tax here. Once we're happy with this, we'll click Next. So on this screen, we've got our GST proportional codes. So if you've got a code that you use for partly business and partly personal use, you can put a percentage of how much you use privately. This will then either increase or reduce the GST that can be claimed for a refund on your GST return. We highly advise you discuss the use of this section with your accountant, as they may have a different method of calculating these amounts. Once you're happy with this, click Finished. And now we've successfully completed our GST setup. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.